We present the Interoceanic Corridor of Guatemala. We call it the commercial route of the 21st century, an avant-garde challenge, with the construction of two modern ports connected by means of an intermodal corridor, in which it will work, a two-way railway, a highway for vehicles and cargo trucks, 3 ducts for the transport of hydrocarbons, and 1 of drinking water. With the San Luis port platform, located on the Pacific coast, and on the other side, on the coast of the Atlantic, the San Jorge port, there will be the ability to receive post-Panamax-type ships, which are defined as those that exceed the maximum dimensions to travel through the Panama Canal and super post-Panamax. At present, other ports in the Pacific Ocean have the capabilities of receiving these large vessels, but fail to send the load to the Atlantic Ocean in a short term. It will be possible to dispatch up to 6 overmaking of 22,000 TEUs, 2 ships of 2,500 TEUs simultaneously, in addition to having a monoboya attending supertankers for the transportation of large amounts of crude oil. Through both train tracks, they will be moving from one ocean to another locomotive with 25 two-level platforms. The corridor can move up to 7 million TEUs per year. It is estimated that 145,000 barrels of crude will be transported by the project ducts annually. The corridor will draw 372 kilometers long and 140 meters wide. 4.5 hours will be enough to transfer the load from one ocean to the other, because you can travel to an average of 80 kilometers per hour by train or road, shortening times and guaranteeing the effectiveness of transporting each load and discharge that moves through the Interoceanic Corridor, thus achieving be superior to the dispatch capabilities of the Panama Canal. There will be 8 logistics areas along the entire strip, free zones in which work and trade will flourish. One of them is located in the department of Chiquimula, in an area of 353 hectares, functioning as a transfer zone that will have the objective of distributing the load with destination or origin to El Salvador, Honduras, southern Mexico, or Guatemala. In addition, thanks to the implementation of fiber optic networks on port platforms and along the corridor line, there will be a connection to high-speed networks that will improve internet and communication services, as well as improvements to electrical distribution and marketing. The group of projects that complement the main activities to the Interoceanic Corridor, called Multi-Activities Corridor, is designed to generate impact on the regions through a series of services with tourism, trade, technology, and new forms of public transport through the train. These and other logistics facilities existed to put them at the service of the world and Guatemalan society. A proposal for new employment, progress, production, and trade opportunities, a new beginning. We work every day guided by our 3 fundamental pillars: create development for Guatemala and the region, influence the integration of the Central American economy, and under social and environmental responsibility, contribute to the cultural strengthening of business.